Alright, we're recording the sewer line here at 7723 44th Northeast. The date is July 19th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the clean out, black ABS 4-inch clean out in the back of the home. Backyard of the home, excuse me. We're about 98, almost 100 feet down this line. We're at the city main tap. There's a little bit of a lip there as the line drops into the city main. I can see the main flowing by at that next joint. We're going to zero our footage out here and come back from this point. I don't think we were 98 feet. I actually didn't have that zeroed out. So let's see the accurate footage as we come back here. That's more than 98 feet, so ignore that initial comment. But 6-inch diameter concrete sewer line here, coming back. There's a seam about every 2 feet in these old concrete sewers. A little bit aggregate along the bottom. This line is shared between this home and the home to the north. 7723 and the neighboring home to the north. This is a shared section of sewer. We were out there in the middle of the road out on 44th, and we're now coming back probably somewhere under the sidewalk area and getting back towards the properties here. Okay, we're coming back into plastic pipe there. I'm going to call this 56 feet of shared concrete line. There on the left side is where the neighboring home, top side of the screen, that's where the neighboring home comes into this pipe and joins in. And we are now back into 4-inch black HDPE pipe. I'm guessing this was a pipe burst. Job done quite a few years ago. Could have been an excavation even. Maybe not a pipe burst. Could be ABS plastic. Yeah, I'm guessing this is, yeah, this was trenched up, excuse me. This is all ABS, more than likely done 30 years ago. Come around here. This is the corner giving the problems here. I'm going to pause briefly and locate this spot, find out where we're at the property. Alright, resuming the recording there. We've got that located about 9 feet deep right at the corner of the house here. Coming back around the corner. Got a stretch of that original concrete 4-inch sewer line here. Got one connection point on the right side of the line here. I'm going to do a little investigation, but I believe that's the stairwell drain branch arm. Then back into this ABS black plastic piping associated with the clean out. There's our clean out there. I'm going to end the video.